What is Belgium famous for?
For its waffles, for its French fries, and for its beer.
I could not anything to that because that's like literally Belgium in 3 words.
Okay.
It's a fun fact. So French fries are actually wrong. It's Belgian fries.
Okay.
It really is Belgian fries. Belgium is famous for its fries. Not France. It's Belgium.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's famous for fries.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we have a pretty good football team and also
Belgium football team is pretty good. Yeah.
good food like French fries. It's
Yeah, so nice.
okay. And chocolate of course and beer. So yeah,
And waffles also.
yeah, we have it all. Okay.
Why people should travel in Belgium?
People should travel to Belgium because we have very beautiful cities, we have amazing beer, and just the people here are amazing.
Welcome! This is Pride in Antwerp! So Brussels is like the worldwide capital of Europe, and it's so cool. But Antwerp is like the world city of everything because you have
The culture,
everything here.
yeah.
The culture. So you have so many cultures here, so many activities, so much
many
of
architects.
everything.
So many architects.
Yeah, for sure.
I love the architect of Antwerp. If anyone want to travel, then which places do you recommend most for traveling in Belgium?
Obviously Antwerp because we have a lot of history and a lot of things to see. But Brussels is also very nice, and so is Bruges. So it's really anywhere you travel in Belgium will be good enough.
For real, it's like all the periods of history, it's all in Antwerp. It's just one city, but you can see like everything in the whole world just in Antwerp, and that's amazing, I think. So there's like this city, it's called Bruges, and people sometimes think it's an attraction park, but it's really just that old. It's all real, and people are like, wow, what's this? But it's just such an old city, and people are like, wow, we love it. And of course there's Antwerp, and Antwerp is not even the capital, but it should be because it's like a
It's so
worldwide
delightful,
city.
yeah.
It's
It's
so
so
delightful. Yeah, they have
So
everything
charming, right?
here.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
exactly.
love it in Antwerp. We really
Okay.
do.
What is Belgium traditional food, famous food or dishes? Of
Famous
Belgium.
food in Belgium. It's really just easy dishes like you have sausage with spinach and such, which is really easy, but it's so delicious. And just French fries, it's amazing. Waffles, you have waffles from Liège, you have waffles from Brussels, and they're all amazing and really good.
Bera and Luxon.